Alright, we're back out in the garage. I'm feeling a little bit better, so the wife cleared me to do some cutting. Got a few things drawn, so let's get all set up and cut them out. Alright, all set up for the first cut. See what happens. Okay, so the crows came out pretty good. You can see how I did these on the last video. I actually walked through how I did this one. This is the one we walked through. Anyway, so crows are done. So this next cut is a keychain holder, but this one's for me. It's a 6th gen 2-door Bronco based CUD file. So hopefully when all is said and done, that's what it'll look like. But let's cut it and see what we see. What do you think? Can you see a 2nd gen 2-door Bronco there? We get this, get the shop reconfigured, and we'll do some bending. Okay, reconfigured the shop and got the portable welding table out. I'm gonna do some cleanup on these crows real quick, and then I'll move on to the keychain holder. that's all I got time for in the shop, the garage this weekend. It's Mother's Day weekend, and I'm lucky enough to get Saturday morning out here. So we cut out the two crow drawings. The video from last week I showed how to draw this guy, and I'll put a link to this video at the end of it, or put a link to that video at the end of this video, so you can see how we drew the crow. To get some black paint on there. And this is so another keychain holder that I drew from, I took a picture of my Bronco, and then take a look up here, walk through it. Took a picture of my Bronco, and then I used Inkscape to do just some tracing of the body lines. There's several open paths and some closed paths, so I was hoping to be able to represent the look of it so you'd know what it was from, you know, without me writing Bronco on here anywhere. I think it came out pretty good. So if you're interested in that, if you have a 6th gen Bronco, or if you know someone who's into Broncos, or you just think this is cool, it's up on the store. You can download this drawing and cut it yourself. And yeah, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching.